Yes, good morning, my families and friends. This is Jamaica Uncle, and I'm here with you guys this morning. Yes, and I would like to ask you if you could please go subscribe, share, like, leave a comment for Jamaican Uncle. And this morning, I'm at my daughter's house doing some cleaning up. Yes, I have to show some. Yes, I have to show some love for my daughter and help her as much as I can do. Yes, so I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing because we already start. So let me take you around there and show you exactly what we are doing. Yes, yes. So this is what we're doing over here. Yeah, we're cleaning up everything over here by the fence. Yeah, general cleanup. Just as how you see it here. General cleanup. Go right round and round. You see? Right round and round. That's what we're doing. Yeah. So if you see this fence here, I should show you a before and after, but I was busy taking care of some things on my live. I know I have a live going at 9, so it's already started. So I decided to come and show you. See what clean up already. Yeah. See what he did here. Yeah. Yeah. Nice, fantastic job we're doing. Yeah. Nice, fantastic job we are doing here. Yeah. Clean up everything for her. Yeah. Nice, fantastic job. So everything was like here, just like here. Those parts you see already cut down here. Yeah. Everything was just like right here. You see? So he's coming up here now, which he's cleaning up right through and through. Yeah, everything is cleaned up right through and through. Yes. We want to take down all these trees too. I have my power saw. We're gonna take down all these trees, clean up everything. Yeah, you see that? That's what we're doing right now. Yeah. Yes. Clean up everything. Go right to the back. Yeah. Clean up, we go right to the back here. Yeah, man. Straight to the back we're going. Yeah, so I don't know how long that's gonna take us. Yeah. And I remember years ago I came here. All this place here were just like here. Just like here. And I remember I come that time I didn't have opened the restaurant yet. And I come and I do a good cleanup for her. Yeah, man, very good cleanup I did for her. Yes. Yeah. I remember I did it. Yeah, see, we have here. So I'm gonna show you more as we go by. Yeah, man, I'm gonna show you more and more. So big up every time. Enough love. Yeah, man. Yes, I'm gonna show you more as we go by. So don't worry yourself. We have a lot to show you. Yeah, man. Yes, man. Nadia, we have to clean up all of this place here. Yeah. Yeah, all of this place we have to clean up. Yeah, George, we're gonna see if we can figure out how to clean up there. So cut down them, most of them. We want to kill as much as them things we want to clean. Kill? Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna come here and see if I could help to clean up as much as we can clean up here. From there, come over here. And we have to go over there. So to George, that can stay for the last. Over that here. And we just continue here, so you know. Yeah. Yeah. So as I said, I was showing George saying we have to clean up all of them place up there, so we're working on. But you know, it's best for him to do this part here first. Because me make him work off my own space. Because me work like that too. Anything me feel like do the first, me always do it first. Me always think about doing the harder part first. And then now, the easier part will be easier for me. Me save that for the last. So that's how me always work. And all these trees gonna cut down, as I say. But that tall one, then we're not gonna trouble it. Yeah, me leave it. Yeah. But everything else gonna come down, and it's gonna look just like over here. So everything will come down. So that's what they're working on now. Yeah, yeah. And I remember one time we have a party right here. So I remember. Yeah, man, I remember it. Yes, yes. And and I remember when somebody meeting first person right there. So that's the only I remember it. You remember? And I call on him. You remember though?
No.
Okay, let me tell you off camera. It was right there, so right there, so.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Yeah. I'm telling you. If the person watching it and they see a pint there, make a pint there. Okay, sit here and realize. Right there, so I remember the person meet somebody right there. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, this is good, man. Get the place clean up, you know.
Yeah.
And you know what you should do? Don't next time don't make it get away like this.
Yeah.
Keep it clean. Just like how me do about my house.
Yeah.
Me make George keep on keep them clean.
Clean it.
And after a while, all them one they will be dead.
No, okay.
Because days ago want to spring up back and thing. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the arm thing there and see if I can even cut some of these short while George doing something else, you know.
Yeah.
That's what I'm going to do. But I don't really want to do me working on my thing there inside. You know, to finish it, I have to go back there. You go and finish in about an hour time. No, less than an hour. So I'm going to go back there, go finish it up. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. I plan to stay here all day until when John ready for going.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. But me talk to you off camera
Yeah.
and let you know, you know. Because with the walker and thing, when him no, with the walker, with the power saw, I have to go help him up there, so. Like when he cut me, pull away, you know.
Yeah.
But so if we can work on that time, we can know what to do and we could just do it right same time, you know. Yeah, man. So, yes, my family and friends, I'm going to give you. Okay. Yes, answer. Yeah, what's up? Yes, we're going to start some cutting now. As George and I are going to use the power saw to do some cutting down up there. So let's go to going up there and do some work together. Yes, we're going to do some work together right now. Do some work together. Yeah, man. So if anything, if you don't remember how to start it, George, I help you start it, yeah? Yeah, George? If you don't remember how to start it, I think, let me start it for you, George. Let me start it for you. Okay. Hold it on it for me, George. Hold it like this.
What's that?
Hold it on me. Okay. Hold it. Yes, this is me. You see me? Yes. Yes. Hold it on me, George.
There's that.
Okay. I think what we do, George, we have to make some adjustment here first with this thing here. You push it down, right?
See.
Towards there. You
See.
take it down?
Here.
You take it down, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think they will take it down. Hold it, yeah, I usually start it like this. Yeah. And then after that, I think we take it up now. We take it up. We take it up. Is that wet? Alright, right. Good job, one, two.
Good.
Okay. Okay, George. One kick, George. Yeah, George, start it the right way. Yeah. Okay, George. Good job. Good job, man. Hold on there, George. Hold on, hold on. Go on, cut. Yeah, George. Okay, George, cut these over here. Cut some more, cut. You open, George? Look here. George, look here. This. The whisk. The whisk. This one here. Yeah, this one here. Yeah, okay. Yeah. George, look here. Yeah, no, stay, George. George, no. This one. Whisk. That whisk here too.
One moment.
This one on, George.
Hold on. One moment.
Okay. George, this whisk here, this one, holding it back, this one here. This one here, George. Yeah, this one here. This one. Holding it back. Want to cut. Be careful out there, George. Be careful. Be careful. Yeah. So now, John, look here, right there.
This.
Wait. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yes, this is it. Yeah. The whisk, George. The whisk. Hold it up there. You're strong, man. You're strong. You're strong, man. Okay. Yeah, those wheels are the problem, you know? Yes, it's not an easy job, trust me. Not an easy job. Whoa, 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 you know it, man, you know it. You know the trick, eh? Good, good. Good job, man. Good job. Yes, this is it. This is it. Get the machete and cut the whisk, George. Cut the whisk. The whisk tie up everything. Those are big whisks. Some of them is as big as my hand. Very big. Yes, yes. Yeah, man. Yeah, this is it. Yes, today is outdoor work today, but on a different property, at my daughter's property. Yes, yes. She just passed through and she gone home. Yeah, because this is her second home. Home that she lives, she gone now to get some rest because she worked all night last night. And I didn't want to show you how she looked because, you know, working for so many hours, yeah, she don't want to show her face on the camera. So I know you hear her voice in the background, but don't worry yourself. Yeah, I have to give her her wish. I can't just point the camera on her. She's a grown-up woman, and I have to abide by any rule I get from anywhere I go to do a video. I have to abide by the rules. So don't worry yourself. You know her already. Everybody know my daughter Skeeter. So it's her place. I'm here working right now. Yeah, man. Okay. Good job, good job. Yeah, man. Good job. George, you just cut behind you too. Cut those. Yeah, cut them down. It's everything short, you know? Run out of gas?
No más.
Oh, we should gas it up fully first before we go, man.
Yes.
No good job, that man. We should fill up our gas tank first.
No, mami, no más esa.
Yeah.
Es todo.
Yeah,
No, no más grandes.
yeah. No, we want to make sure cut down everything over there. Everything low. Uh-huh. So let me get the gas and come back. But you can move what you want to move in the meantime. Let me get the gas and come back. Oh, somebody calling me? Okay. Yes. Jamaica Uncle here. And I want to give you an update on how we're getting on over here. Yes. Coming on real good. You can see how the place look. See there? There. Come all the way up. So it look. Coming on real good. Real good. Yes. Real good, man. Look at the place. Yes, I did a video on it before. But in fact, the first part that George cut, I did not get to do it because I was on my premium. Yes. But look at here. Everything is clean and good job, man. Good job. Yes, yes. Wonderful job. Yeah, man. Yes. So when you get a chance, make I say this is over my side. I don't want to cut too near. What you could do, George? You could cut here, but don't let it catch the wire.
No.
No wire,
Yeah, sí.
but cut.
Sí, ahorita.
But if they catch the wire, you know the blade is done.
Ajá, sí.
No good again. Yeah, so we're going to cut down as much as we can cut down. Even here, we cut them down, you know.
Yeah.
But keep it away from the wire, please. Yeah, no wire. Touch no wire. Yeah, good job, man. Yeah. So this is how it look like. Yeah, man, good job. Good job, man. Let me check the time, because I have to get food for George. What time is it? 11:30. George, I'm going to buy some lunch and come back for you. Get some lunch, all right? All right, let's go. Yeah, get some lunch for George and come back. Yes, 11:30. And I should come back before 12, that he can eat on time. Yeah. Yes, so let's go and see what we can do. Yeah, man. Yeah, I have my lunch already, so I don't need any more. And I wanted to eat something that I like. Something that I like. So let's go as we go in here. Yeah, man. All right. Thanks again for your love and support. Jamaica Uncle love you every time. Yeah, man. Get some lunch here for George. Come, George. Come take it here. I don't even look on it. I not even know what they put in there, George. I want to see what in there. And it come with this, George. Come with this. Come with that drink. I have another drink inside there too. Put it over here. Let me see what in there. I don't know what in there. Let me open it. Let me see it. Yes. Open. See what in. No, I want to see. I want to see what in. Put it right here. Open. No, open. Put it there. Open.
Okay.
And you don't want to come inside. Open it, George. Open it. I want to see what they have at this restaurant. I'm not going to advertise nobody's restaurant because I'm away from my restaurant. Yeah. Okay. Oh, this is a lunch special, yeah? Yeah, George? Lunch special. See what it look like? Yeah, but I'm not going to call no name because I'm not going to advertise on nobody right now. Yeah, it's all right. Go ahead and eat. Yeah. I'm going to check my food inside here, George, and see if it's ready here. I have some food inside here. Let's check my food and see if it's ready. Oh, you go inside and wash your hand, George. Inside. We're going to go inside. George, inside. Wash hand inside. Yeah. You are family, you know.
Oh, sí.
You are my family.
Okay.
Okay. You are my family, man. You're not no stranger. Yeah, you are my family, George. Come. Come, George. All right. We have soap. Soap over here, George. Come over here, sir. Cause soap right here. You can wash your hand. All right. Okay. All right. I'm gonna check my food here. All right. Okay. Yeah. Gonna check my food now. See how far it is. How far my food is. Yeah, it's coming on well. See there? My food is coming on well. I can smell it. See my food here? Yes. One pot of soup I'm going to have. Jar, look at my food. Yeah. This is my food, Jar. Look at it. Oh, yeah, soup, Jar. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, well, that's my food. Yeah, so give it some more time first. I'm gonna give it some more time and make sure say it warm up real good. Real good. Yeah, man. Then I'm gonna have it. George, you want the drink too?
Yes, sir, it's fine.
No, one more there for you.
Okay.
Bring it?
Yeah.
All right, bring it. Bring George juice over there. Yeah. Working hard, man, he must. Yeah. Yeah, man. This is George juice. I'll come in, George. Sit and eat, man. I'll come in with it. Yeah, George. Don't trust me if you come with George. Come in for it himself. No. I take it to him. Yeah. Yes. So, yeah, man. George eating him food. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Enjoy your food, man. See there? Right. Enjoy your food. Yeah, man. Okay? All right. I'm waiting on my one now, yeah? Yeah, man. Yes. This is what we have to be doing. Can see? We take up this pile from all the way here. Can see? We're taking down. It's going down smaller and smaller over here. We have to take it in the front of the yard, which we put it right over here. Put them, go through this gate, and we'll put them right over here. Yeah. Put them right over here. You see, we line them up over there. Yeah, right over here, we line them up. And I didn't know that we have to cut them in 4 feet in length. So we have to come back here now. And all of these, we have to cut them 4 feet in length. Because I heard that if they're not 4 feet in length, they're not going to take them up. So we have to come back and cut each one of these long one over here, 4 feet in length. So we get these over here, which we are working on some more to bring over here. Yeah, we're working on some more, as you see it. Yeah, see there? Get these over here. Yes, all these come over. And we're working from them. And in DeKalb County here, I get to understand that you have to call the county and not call them. I think you have to go to the office and pay $50. $50, and they come and send a special truck and come and pick it up. I heard that if it was just a small amount, you could just cut it up small and put it with your garbage and they would pick it up. So I'm going to make my daughter know that. She have to go to the office and pay the $50 and they will come and pick it up. And this would save her a lot of money because to what we do here and to pay the money there to pick it up, she saved a lot of money, more than what somebody was charging her to do this job. Yes, and I have to save my daughter in all ways. I have to save her because I'll tell you something. It goes right back to my grandchildren, and not only that, I know she is a caring daughter, and I know at least a day gonna come and she's going to be there for me, just like the rest. Gonna be there for me, and at least this money can save and put down for those days. Yes. So anything I can do to help, I help them out, because they say once a man, twice a child. So I really happy knowing that I can do such a thing for my children them, you know. And I just talked with my son a while ago. He living in New York, in Connecticut, about 2 hours drive from Manhattan. And he said, Daddy, Daddy, when I tell him what I'm doing down here, I tell him that I'm by her sister house, which is my daughter, doing some cleanup. He said, Daddy, Daddy, one day you're gonna have to clean up for me too. I said, yeah, man, no problem. Yeah, guy, you know, down here in the south, it's much more better when it comes to the weather, especially in the snow time, versus all the way up in north. So a lot of people running down back to the south here, and they get away from all those heavy snows that they have up there. Because we have snow down here, which is rare, but it's not as heavy as those further north. Not as heavy. Yeah. So hopefully we all going to be in one place, and that will be good for me. That will be good for me too, because I know once a man, twice a child, and they will be there for me, and I will have multiple. Yes. I have 3 children. I would say call it multiple. Yeah, man. So let's just go around here, I think. Yeah, let us go around here and see what we can do. Yeah, man. Big up every time. Yeah. This is it. See what it look like here? This is it, man. This is how it look like here. Final. This is it. Yeah. And I use the rake. And I rake up the yard right here. You can see it. I rake up all of this trash that the leaves pull down here. You see over here? Everything looking good now. Beautiful and nice. Thanks here. Beautiful. Beautiful. See that? Beautiful and nice. See that? And George, here's the walker. And walk down over here. You see? Yeah. What he's working on right now. Right through and through. I'm taking the right round and round and show you. You find out, see? We walk out all this place. Yeah. See how it look now? See, look here. I think I see a few little trees up here. I want George to take them down completely. Yeah. Yeah. See a few little trees up here. He has to come back here. Like that one over there. Yeah, we have to take it down. I don't want nothing to live here. And we have a few more here to take down, as you see over here. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, my family and friends, thanks again to come with me as I come to my daughter's house here, and we did a good job. Nice, perfect, beautiful job. Because if you could remember how it looked before, see it right over here, how it did look before, and this is after. Yes. And if it was me alone, because George leave at 2 o'clock, and once it's at 2 come, he's not gonna stay any longer. I would clean up, scrape up all those things up there. But if I get the chance, one day I'm gonna come here and do that for my daughter, clean it up and get my rake and rake it up properly. But George time is expired now, so we have to go. See how it look here? Everything clean and pretty. Yes, clean and pretty. Go right back here. Yeah, so if I get the chance, because I think I have to go to Florida first, and if I come back and I have the time, then I will come back here and do a little final touch up. Yeah, because I'll do anything for my daughter. Yeah, my daughter, them are so nice and so beautiful. Yes, I'll do anything for them. Yeah. They're the one that's going to be my mother for the coming years. Yeah, man. So they say, remember they say, once a man, twice a child. Yes, so you remember that all the while. Yeah, man. So thanks again to come with me. I want to say, enough love and respect to each and every one of you over here. Yeah, man. Enough respect. Yeah, man. And man, yes. You know who I talked with last night? The general. Man, you know how long I want to talk with the general? And I didn't have his number no time at all. I didn't have his number. And I don't like to go to somebody and beg somebody for somebody's number. I don't like that. But somebody asked me if they could give him his number, and I say yes. And I have his number. And I tell you, man, we have a good chat. General, enough respect every time. Yeah, man, and me have to come to Canada by the help of God. Come link up with you. We have to sit down and we have to chat. Yeah, man, because me like how you always do it. You know, skin up. You're real Jamaican. Straight from a yard. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. City man too. Not even country man like me. So, you know, city man, them rougher than the country man. Them no play. Them no skin up. So, big up to you every time, General. Yeah, man. Now we're going to catch up. Yes. I just come over here this month to some work at my daughter's house. So, big up to you. Enough respect every time. And all my crew out there, Jamaican and no care the Trinidadian, Guyanese, name it. And Antigua, everywhere. Big up to you guys, all over the world. Yeah, man, enough love. And I want to say, Jamaica, Uncle love you every time. Not sometime, you know, every time. As long as you just go the straight way and not the winding way. Yes, Jamaican love you. Jamaica Uncle love you. So big up every time and enough love. Jamaica Uncle there. Yeah, man. Big up.